pity. Stand up and fight for your truth. My youth. Sometimes, some things they really pay me for Ghana if I think about that, man. Then I say, why say we didn't live our life like that? You understand me? How come we be in a fucking system and some people go to load money, put them aside, and they don't want to make the ghetto youth to them get richer and live that life they won't live in. They won't show we life. You understand me? Old men way they in power way they won't show young boys life. Old men way they for learn for young boys. You understand me? The time when they born my father, then they don't get Bluetooth, they don't get infrared. You understand? So my father, me I they show him infrared. Me I they show my father Bluetooth. Me I they show my father internet. How do they connect? Me I they show my father iPhone. Me I they explain iCloud to my father. In fact, me I they do everything with my father for understand. See, it is my generation. And in this generation, that's what we do. Any old person where no one learn for him picking, you know, old person, you don't get wisdom. You understand? Everybody they complain for Ghana, and I feel so bad about them. Say, but what they go on with, it make like, you understand, like, everybody do like, everybody sleep. Charlie, the course are the getting since, eh? You don't sleep. Yesterday at this studio, I do work, I do a whole lot of shit. You know what I'm saying? Let me say, if I can't drive past it. Ghana hot, Miss Road. What the fuck with this? I sure say, you know, I sure say go be road, right now. The place we did. This is Ghana. Canada. What the fuck it is? The place road no there. But I know it's you. Everybody they complain about the country. And they say like, hey, but everybody they complain like this, why make like put bed? You make like people bed, you understand me? If you stand up and fight for the truth, you understand? That be one thing where we will fear for you. When we for fight for one thing, we don't fight for one thing. Be bad though, my nigga. Yesterday at this studio at the work, wake up. Right now we say I'm gonna see my nigga, man. We just talk some business and it make like the too much fear away there on a life inside. I want for common time because if you know common time, man, many of us will suffer. Me like this, I get people where I want to help every time. You understand me? In my Shatta movement, they be dear to me. You understand? Anybody will be Shatta movement. Any money we are make, me I'm going to share. No matter what, 10 city, 20 city, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000. Me and that person go to share. You understand me? You know why? Because me, it is some people where they grow me, and that's my fans. You get me? But the people are the pity, the people where maybe they know yet understand the Shatta movement. You know, they to the day in them a world. They know yet understand life. You know, they to see they born some kiddies come the world. Them the only thing they know be politics. So some kiddies. They don't fit talk politics. Nobody say they go political school or something. Them government they worry them. That be what they learn from home. You understand me? Some of us, when our father said be politician, but we don't even give them attention. But I'm where I am. Some of us, when our fathers, they politicians, but we don't even give them attention. Because you know why? We won't make everybody chop. That nonsense thing where they somebody go talk. If I touch somebody, the person go talk, say, they lie. But everything for this world, it be format. You understand me? Unless you don't understand, say, it be format. Everything for this world, it be format, nigga. Everything, they format you away. They tell you education. The people where they do education, they don't go school. The people where they sit down where they say, let's create education. They don't go school. Trust me. The people where If you want to check everything they talk, check from creation of man. You understand me? The people where they create education, they do not go to school. They sit down, they say they for educate some people. Because some people they like waste their time for school. So they say, yeah, let's waste some people's time. Let's make it crèche, nursery, primary, JHS, JSS, tertiary, university. All those is be format, my nigga. All those is be format. Hey, don't lie to yourself. All those is be format. They are actually quick. Hey, shout out to Kwame Despite. Hey, Honorable Chairman, Dr. Kwame Despite. I greet you. Hey, you have shown the world that you are a white man. Plenty of the white men where we see and things so. No be school, you make them like that to eat brain. You understand me? But white man, if you see a show here, show it, we show it great, like for show like or show it. Where you believe, or you show your life. So, you can say white man go school, white man no go school like that. Don't say like that. They where they born for the English, they already. So you go for use English for the top, you have to go cut. I shall like for the Shabbat, when the French right, like Shabbat, right, you have to go cut. Bad man, don't forget, don't make them lie to you. Me, they don't feel like to me. Me, nobody feel like to you. You know what I mean? Me, the time I go school, say, make I tell you, make I tell you my school story. Me, the time I go school, I swear, ask my classmate, anybody will know anybody with my classmate. As I say, who was Charles Mensah in Winneba Secondary School? Who was Charles Mensah at 7 Great Princes Academy? I say 7 Prince. Hey, 7 Prince. Bad man, you know it's you. With the time they go school, the fit teacher say, if they ask class, do you understand me? And the fit teacher say, I don't understand. They say, well, me, I already talk the whole show. Say, I already talk, Charlie. Say, since last month, Charlie, all the things you can teach me, I don't understand. They don't go talk, say, make I kneel down, because I be rude. This thing, it makes sense. You say, I understand. I say, no, I don't understand. Right now, as I don't understand, I tell bad person, say I don't understand. Madman, they deal with this kind of life. And every country is every day. What? Every country is every day, madman. I don't lie you. Everything, madman, don't lie to yourself. Oh. Stand up and fight for the root and the truth. Your roots and your truth be very important. Your roots be the way you want go, the way you follow go. Fight for them, man. Fight for them, because even though fight for them, nigga, you gonna be talking about politicians, and politicians are not gonna give a fuck about you, man. That's how they talk right now. Go see the money. You know the reason why money no dey Ghana. Money no dey Ghana because the money all go there one side, where some people they keep them for room. And you did there, you know, say people they keep their money for room. Our country for 50 days so. That's how they talk. People they travel go outside America, Europe, Canada, Italy, Germany. Now, as how they talk. As them say how they place it. It did like how human beings for it did like a place where human beings for day. Nigga. Italy, America. It did like by here. I dey pass on me if I show. See, I dey pass. I dey tell you something. Not be saying anything. I don't want me. I dey do this thing rotation, that thing rotation, where they think they do rotation. See rotate up. I dey pass. See rotate up. Ghana. See Ghana. If I dey talk, somebody go tell me say, oh, why are you saying this? Why? But see rotate up. See. So do they do this? Do they do this in Dubai? Do they do this? Do they do this? Do they do this in America? Do they? No, I don't see. See. Do they do this in Italy? Do they do this? See. But you know it's you, bad man. Ghana. If you talk that thing, somebody go tell you say, Shatta, why are you saying that? I'm not the only Ghanaian in the country. You go fit cost change, my nigga. In my area, Sunday they do street for there. I say, yo, why you guys they do the streets for one side where they leave one side? Why? If some people pay, say me they can't do them aside, and they people don't pay, they don't go do them aside. That's a good talk. They say I go slap contractor. Say me I go beat contractor. Shatta there, oh Shatta be yawa. Oh Shatta be yawa. It disrespect. Shatta be yawa. Nigga be yawa, but you see right now. I'm just in my cruiser, my nigga. And some me alone. I say me I just walk here alone, make it alone. I tell myself things I go do. Where I they do. If you know the fit tell yourself things you go do way, you know the fit do man. Don't compare your life to somebody in life. Where are they talk? They do construction. They do construction for one side. That's how they drive. Rough road top and they drive. Like I do massage. I do massage. Hey, if you want to do massage anywhere you are in the world, you want to do car massage, let's find your car and just drive in Ghana. You see plenty potholes. Don't mind the ones from the airport. Those ones will be formats. Yeah. The places where they say it be rich place. Check Trasaco. Trasaco, them are root up. Hey. Hey. See, I massage myself. Bone massage. Bone massage. See, Ghana. You want to shake your body. You want to shake your body. I got every want to shake your body. You want to shake your body. Hey, the guys have to go. I want to shake your body. Massaging country. Ghana like if you don't call them Ghana, if you call them Massa. Or Mazza. Or something. Massa. Or something. Country where Jimmy like that. Every day talk then. The Jimmy ones go to can't tell you they want talk sense to you. This thing, so if they do it, they shake your brain. When they think like Isaac Newton, go make you think like some nonsense thing. Before they think like one do Bob, then this one make you go do make chins car. Make chins. Yes, easy. No easy, Charlie. Bad man. No easy. When they talk the truth, then somebody go talk say, you know nigga. Charlie. Don't play, man. Don't play. Stand up. Don't complain. Ghana is hard. Then you update for Twitter. You update for Facebook. You update for. Then if you say you up, bad man. If you don't sacrifice this your life for something better, If you don't sacrifice this your life for something better, they go lie you. Then you go buy chicken. They can tell you all those ways that if you buy chicken, take the do. Saraka and those kind of things. My nigga, they get ways where they sacrifice chicken, they take do rituals. They get ways where they sacrifice chicken, they take do things. Don't make the lie to you. You understand me? Don't make nobody lie to you. Don't make nobody lie to you. The candidate say, make you come, make they cut chicken for you, but it will change your life. Massa, if they cut the chicken, if the chicken way is sacrificing life, will not be your life. So the chicken, for the chicken world, the chicken go be rich. You see the way you won't get 20 billion trillion dollars. Okay, so now the chicken go get them in the chicken world. But what chicken go take $20 million do? Chicken goes where you go the chicken spiritual world. You know if you buy Bugatti, you know if you buy anything. You take your life exchange chicken. That's why some of you if you chop fried rice and chicken, you defeat shit son. Because plenty of you take your life, give chicken. Master, sacrifice your life. You understand me? Stand up. That be the word. Stand up. Alright. You understand me? Stand up. Don't be there and be complaining and think. As you the update, Akufo-Addo, they watch your Snapchat. Don't be a stupid person. Don't let computer convince you. Convince computer. Make computer know so you go to control. Telling you, my nigga. Telling you, girl. Okay, yes. Suck water. Sometimes it's sad. It's sad. You understand me? But wake up. You understand? Wake up, my nigga. Wake up. Don't make this life. Somebody will come tell you, say this before you go say that. You understand me? Nobody go make you suffer. You go make yourself suffer. Because this Ghana with the I feel the Ghana where they here. Oh, and my mama know they try. My mama know they try. So they go bring MPP. It inside we did. Charlie, we gotta leave you for I catch my friend there. We gotta watch you. I'll call you back.